Okay, so yeah, this is how the hair is looking, and I'm about to go to bed. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready for bed with the wig, how I sleep with my wigs on and everything. And then yeah, so elastic band, like I said, elastic band, I prefer this. If you can get an elastic band, I would suggest you get one. It really just like lays your legs in, like it presses it in. So if you can get your hands on an elastic band, I say go get one. You can get it at your local craft stores. I'm pretty sure you might be able to find it in a beauty supply store. I've seen a couple beauty supplies over where I live that has elastic bands in it, and you can always get it off of Amazon. Just type in elastic band and then like a whole roll will come up. I got this from Amazon for like $7, I think. So yeah, and it came like in a big roll. So yeah, but if you don't have an elastic band, it's fine. You can always use edge wrap or a satin scarf. Just make sure it's satin. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lay our edges down as you see me lay it down all the time. This is what I do when I go to bed. So okay, so we tied it tight, but not too tight to where it's uncomfortable for you to sleep in and everything. You don't want it cutting off your circulation and everything. So yeah, this part is depending on if you have straight hair, if your hair is curled, or if your hair is curly or wavy. It all depends on how you want to it all depends on if you want to do your hair, like style your hair again tomorrow. If you're gonna style your hair again tomorrow, like straighten it or curl it again tomorrow, you can just go ahead and pull it up in a low bun or high bun, whichever one you prefer. But if you want to try it, like if you have curly hair, I would suggest wetting your hair, brushing it out, and do like 2 twists or 2 braids, one on each side. That's what I do with my curly units if I sleep in them. For this hair is a loose deep wave. So what I'm gonna do is get my spray bottle and I'm gonna brush through it, and I'm gonna do 2 braids on each side. And yeah, so let's do that right now. Okay, just like this, 2 braids, so simple. Okay, so I have these 2 perm rods, and I'm just gonna put some mousse on the ends. Wow. I'm just gonna put some mousse on the ends, like this, and just wrap it around, just so the ends can be curly to kind of match the rest of the waves of the hair in the morning. Just like that. So, okay, just like that. So then you're gonna get your bonnet, and then you're just gonna put it on. That's all you can do. And if you want to, if like your bonnet tends to fall off at night, you can get an extra scarf and wrap it around this part just to have extra security. But I don't have that problem with my bonnet falling off, at least not with this bonnet. This bonnet tends to stay on all night. So yeah, now you're ready to go to bed, and then I'll see you guys in the morning so I can show you guys how I take it out, and then how my hair looks in the morning, how my lace looks and everything. So yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day. I am all dressed and ready, you know, I took my shower and everything. So let's take it off. So that's all you do. So we take it off. My perm rods fell off in the middle of the night in the bonnet, but they're still curly. And then I'm just gonna take off the band. Take off the band. This side of my frontal is not laid, it's only this side, so. And then we're gonna take out the braids. texture of the hair. Edges still laid. Okay, then I have my hot comb heated up because I just always like to go over and, you know, just make sure this part is nice and neat. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. This is how I maintain my wigs, sleep in my wigs, and take a shower in my wigs. And as you see, it's still on, and this is actually glueless. I didn't use any lace glue. I just used Got2b spray, and it's still snug and secure overnight. And yeah, really cute. The texture of his hair is nice. The braids just help hold it more, but this is the texture of the hair. It's a loose, deep wave from Ishow hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Wow, my ring just fell off. And follow me on Instagram at anyday0n.n. It'll be on the screen and in the description box. Check the description box. Everything on this hair will be down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.